enti se okono na ye hwehwe no na okoye a na ne omma no kwan ma ne koye na oba
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr. President Amajo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr. President Amajo so ko yin na edwum me say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de nito Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Ni enko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce here.
enya kutoka airport ya immigration for achinwi omugina no ehwa na ofatu kwan enti se okono na ye hwehwe no na okoye a ne omma no kwan ma ne koye na oba enya obi na hye no ono akodi ni djuma na ofri ni pem se mesa ba minchi mum ne ye che no
oyene nyasa sam na obisa no on te ase abrantie no APA no na immigration for no mu no ana na you confirm report bien koto so agwa APA amonchena na afi agwa no sa by side eti I know Charles said eni ni trimu that here no so oma it will be a over Ghana no dey ye dey of good in sasen we so be Ghana woman dey have of good in sa eti bani to trust someone na cause we you no ye nyina ya hwe na enyi fro go airtime
obani na Ghana mra no ebrebe na omma kwan se investigative body na security body services no ebia Ghana Police Service Yoko BNI eni ni nuanom no wo mutimi de bail a eso saa etu nipa so wa bra enye court na aka de ntia na me bisa say ni se eja mo nche chere kakra mo de ama ya yehyehyia bi
constitution can say eni me fa bail no ye ma reasonable conditions I be ensure say ye hwewa ibe hu eno an okasa o at reasonable conditions no now say okay what the old done no sika boom I say a perfect nine na de be a na se so nipa no enya ade na wo kan because e wo soro dodo a I so that so twem enti emra no ma won se twem no I mean say research agenda here ama emra esi tirasi and all one start to no especially you ko na yesa o kon si ade recorded that who she also on cassette okay any that you investigate you ya tiate offer property the boy be say 500 million Ghana cedis anta na ejao and she say we your the ever challenge
okay and she said the munim da mo basa ko Yoko ho
daddy on forever ko yeah
Mate, on my for ya da say
come by the weekend come na yapa weekend so we niska or weekend na ye close advanced country papa ben na developer yet me close the whole market the whole shops say sanitation day and nem ni bia be da so ya asafuduma abran institutions wo wa yetu omka institutions wo hwa yetu omka Zoom Lion wetu no contact mu ene wo de ama original chairman for say omo na omo ye den omo na omo hwe sanitation so ene omo so tete faako ene omo de se prr ene omo de disturb yen krom obi an ye adwuma because ejiji president so oyo de hye si obi a ndi ejiji no so enso anke kaase ye to abama wo ye som na abesom enye timamufon citizen na esomo eza wo mu na abeso citizen afraid the service no say adane we yen service biom say timamfo no mu na som friend dem for servants no mo se mo ye servants mo ba besom nso ye mu na afraid ye som na Saturday pa na close shop say sanitation day nso so fa nipa we tu fa mo we yi gata mu dia gu ho na me ahwe saa mensuato na gata na asa nso na se atwini nyina kogu gata mu biem nso na se atwini nyina kogu gata mu biem we ya kwa na ye bai na ye nya leaders papa bi intimi control sa di we intimi control sanitation common sanitation keke intimi control we bi aye dumping site kwa ye nibi ni nyina aye private way zoom lion there the zoom lion no close a wunya ba bi fa ngugu ye kwa ya na ye bai ade a me ya ye nkofo na ewu no na ajapade asenya asenketwa onipa
obeti atechem wo suro se obekoti bi amanfo wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka Ghana for one my yensensi form papa one my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya daje ko sell lie eto Amasaman because we be tena for good 12 years. We be ye vice president. Ema wu jade atamos ewu ye. Ye disa show sama wu buye. Wu ye o se wunye president da. Ema ye vote ma o ma obedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se wo betwa 12 good years wo tumi nye hwe wo promises en kokon ketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina kokofu a wo promise omo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo ba ye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo ba ya wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he efiri kwa me kruma time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edidada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent Pr3z.Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri oso nyame nsan ni oso. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di we chi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esu bi mbada o
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afa Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nye hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso ton na baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections, echo, and no, my Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, I may mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So, in fact, on my bit, me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit, me could borrow or my be a leaders. KBA, the new Pr3z party, the leaders of the party, KBA, borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say, we have some of the hospitals in fact, they are equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look, I say, hospitals and they go and no woman say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It's a scan of Canada was I would to me was say almost same people for for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals most of my for. I comfort my facilitating me on funded free seniors who some are come for. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Ubian Cannon to Nankono. I saw from among common into with the greatest of it, among common to Queen in a home. Chief Imam for income to Queen in a home. Politicians income to Queen in a home. Market women on common to Queen now. Ubian Cannon to Queen in a home 2020 Jua, then you will know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa de Sebi, ye be a kitting, ye invest square and kitting. We want everything in pieces, we don't want everything in bulk. And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system, also open kitting. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them kitting. Is any one day? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Men are warning was such a message. Men are not catching Rajan the many mammas or members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization, your status here, most of the digitalization and talking to move a kinky sika. It's a mamma papa number, or mamma kinky, and mamma added a mockum. You will come here. And the Rajan the many mamma could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a yoke for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Films, hey, Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam one, which is never true.
Onya
Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam one for the first time. Nam one I post. Oh yes, Nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.